everyone, today I am going to discuss some important questions of network. Let's begin. The first question is, which of the following OSI model layer is considered the thickest layer? That is transport layer, option A. Next one, which layer of the OSI model is for providing and compression of data? That is presentation layer. Next one, which layer of the OSI model is for establishing and managing and terminating connections between applications? That is session layer. Okay. Next one, which of the following transmission media has the highest bandwidth? That is for fiber optic cable. Next question, which of the following is of bandwidth transmission? That is for Ethernet. Which of the following is of using a repeater in a system? See, it amplifies the signal to improve its strength and quality. So the repeater takes a weak or corrupted signal and it regenerates it. Next one, a network has a propagation delay of 5 milliseconds and a transmission time of 2 milliseconds. What is the total time required to transmit a 1000-bit message? Here, total time required to transmit a message means it is the sum of total time is equal to, it is the sum of the propagation delay plus this transmission time. So total time means it is the propagation delay plus transmission time. So how much is the propagation delay given? That is 5 milliseconds. And what about the transmission time? That is 2 milliseconds. So 5 plus 2 milliseconds is equal to how much? That is 7 milliseconds. And one more thing here, that is here transmitted 1000-bit message is given, but the length of the message does not affect the propagation or transmission time. Okay. Next question, a digital audio file has a total size of 10 megabyte, and how long will it take to transfer the file over connection with a bit rate of 1 megabit per second? Here you can say megabyte and here it is megabit. So first we need to convert the file size of megabyte to megabit. Therefore 1 megabyte. So 1 megabyte is equal to how many megabit? How many megabit? That is 1 megabit is equal to 8 bit. How much? 1 megabit is equal to 8 megabit. Therefore 10 megabit is equal to how much? How many megabit? That is 80 megabyte bit. Okay. And next we can use this bit rate to calculate the transfer time using the formula. So what is the formula for transfer time? Transfer time is equal to file size by bit rate. So what is the file size? What is the file size? That is 80 megabyte divided by bit rate. So what is the bit rate? That is 1 megabit per second. So file size divided by bit rate. So which is equal to 80 megabit M small letter b divided by 1 megabit per second, 1 Mbps. That will be equal to 80 seconds. So the correct option is option B, 80 seconds. Next question, a modem uses a quadrature modulation to transmit data over line. The modem has a simple rate of 2400 baud and uses 8 bit per symbol. What is the maximum bit rate that can be achieved? So here maximum bit rate is equal to baud rate into bit per symbol. Okay, so what is maximum? This is equation. Maximum bit rate. Maximum bit rate is equal to, these are our important thing. Maximum bit rate is equal to baud rate, B-A-U-D, baud rate, bit per symbol. So now it is direct, you can substitute and find out the answer. That is equal to 2400 baud into 8 bit per symbol. That will be equal to 19,200 bit per second. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is the type of error detection used by data link layer? See, data link layer uses CRC. What is the full form of CRC? Cyclic redundancy check. That is commonly used for error detection. Error detection. That is the error detection technique which is used in the data link layer. Cyclic redundancy check. Next one, which of the following is a common access control used by data link layer protocol? That is token passing. Okay, access control method are used by data link layer. Data link layer is using access control method. Why it is using? To regulate the flow of data between devices and network, on a network. So the token passing is a common access control method that involves passing a special control message or token. Okay, this is coming under data link layer, token passing. Next one, which of the following is the use of Hamming distance? Hamming distance, that is used for error correction. Error correction, Hamming distance, error correction. Next one, which of the following is true about the Hamming distance between two identical sequences? That means it is always zero. It is always zero. In this Hamming distance means it is a measure of number of bit position that are different between two sequences. So if the sequences are identical, then there are no difference. So Hamming distance is always zero. Two identical sequence is always zero. Which two protocols are used in the transport layer of the TCP IP model? That is TCP and UDP. Okay. Next one, the session layer of the OSI model established a what type of connection? That is system to system connection. System to system connection. Next one, proxy firewall operate at which layer? That is operated at the application layer. Next question, the layer which define the characteristics of the interface between device and the transmission media is, that is physical layer. Next question, the physical layer is concerned with the movement of medium over the physical medium. Generally it will be bit. Physical layer, bit. Next one, the layer which define the characteristics of the interface between device and the transmission medium is, that is physical layer, that define the characteristics of the interface between devices and transmission medium, that is physical layer. Next one, a Ethernet hub is that function as a repeater. Ethernet hub function as a repeater. Next one, which topology has the highest reliability? Highest reliability is for mesh topology. Next question, Ethernet is an example of, it is an example of LAN. Okay. Next one, which of the following describe router function? Packet switching, yeah, packet filtering, network communication. So all of the above, all these are the function that describe router function. Which among the following is not covered under OSI layer? Physical layer, internet layer, network layer, transport layer. So it is internet layer, that is not under OSI layer model. A fully connected mesh network therefore has dash physical channel to link n devices. So that is n into n minus 1 by 2. Important, n into n minus 1 by 2. MAC addresses are represented using, I think, okay. So MAC addresses are represented using, this is important question, 48 bit. MAC addresses are represented using 48 bits. Okay. Next question, which network devices is used in the data link layer? That is bridge. Bridge is used in the data link layer. What is the checksum? What the checksum is used for? Checksum is used for error detection. Checksum is used for error detection. Important. Next one, the length of the Ethernet MAC address is dash byte. How much? 6 byte. This is also very important. 6 byte. Okay, 6 byte. Which is more efficient? Parity check, cyclic redundancy check, parity and cyclic. Here the more efficient is cyclic redundancy check. CRC, cyclic redundancy check. One. Which of the following is a commonly used data link layer protocol for Ethernet network? That is IEEE 802.3. Okay, commonly used data link layer protocol for Ethernet network, IEEE 802.3. Next one, which of the following is a protocol used by data link layer? The data link layer use ARP. Important, address resolution protocol, ARP, that is used by The data link layer. Which of the following is the commonly used data link layer protocol for wireless network? Wireless network, that is IEEE 802.11. It is also known as Wi-Fi. Okay. Which of the following is not a type of coding used by the physical layer? That is Hamming code. This is not a type of coding used by the physical layer. Actually, it is used for error detection and correction at higher level. Hamming code that is used at a higher level. Next one. What is the primary function of the data link layer? The primary function: routing, transmission of packet, media access control, error detection. The primary means most important. The primary function is the media access control. That is the primary function of data link layer. Which of the following is true about error correction in the data link layer? That is, it can detect some error but cannot correct them. Okay. Error correction in data link layer is typically done using the technique CRC. Okay, so it can detect some error but it cannot correct them. In order to that, it is using a technique that is known as CRC. Next question. Which of the following is a measure of range of frequency that a channel can support? That is band. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is used to overcome the attenuation in long distance? That is amplification. Okay. Next question. A device that operates below the physical layer of the OSI model is, that is passive hub. That a device that operates below the physical layer of that is passive hub. Next question. A device bridge is used at dash layer of the OSI model. Bridge is used at which layer? That is used at data link layer of OSI reference model. Hope you understand this. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. And keep on watching my channel. Thank you.